Hi, welcome to the 6th episode of Midnight Math, a series where I lose sleep for the sake of memes. Today, the time is 12:01. Perfect. Alright, it's just after midnight, and today we're going to discuss simple, just numbers up to 1 million. Now, 1 million is just a fantastic number. It also happens to be the number of one of my favorite game shows, Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. A millionaire is someone who has 1 million of however money there is where you live. So if it's 1 million pesos or $1 million, 1 million pounds or whatever, then you would be a millionaire. Now, what are the numbers up to 1 million? Well, there are these things called place values. So here at the rightmost we have the ones, and then we have the tens, and then over here we have the hundreds. Over here we have the thousands. We separate that with a comma. There we go. Over here you have the 10,000s. Over here you have the 100,000s. And then over here you have the millions. Okay, so here we have the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and then we have the millions. So for example, let's start small. In Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, the first question that you would get is 100. So let's write down 100. So here we have 100. So we have 1 on the hundreds here. Now we have tens and ones. But let's say, you're doing well on the game show and you get more money. Let's say you get the 7th question right. So if you get the 7th question right, you get 4,000. So we can use this. So we have 4,000. There you go. Let's say you keep getting stuff right, and then you have 32,000. So we have 32,000. It'll be over here. So you can see we're using more and more here, but we're not yet at 1 million. That's only if you get the grand prize at the very end. So here we use the 10,000s place. We have three 10,000s and 2,000, so that's 32,000. Let's say you do really, really well and you make it to the question where you get 250,000. So we have 250,000. Now we're using more spaces over here. We're not using the millions yet. We're not there, but we're still using a lot. So we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and we have 5 10,000s and 200,000s. So that's 250,000. That's a lot, but eventually you're gonna make it to that last question, and if you get it right, you get 1 million. So here, 1 million, it's a big number. If you have 1 and then there's 6 zeros after it, so you have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and 1 million. So you have millions here, and there you go. So you write this as 1, then comma, then 3, and then there you go. So if we look at the numbers we had earlier, right, we had like 250,000, and then we had 32,000, and we had 1,000, and we had 100. This might be wrong, but as you can see, we have numbers that are small. We have 100, then we went up to 1,000, then we went 32,000, 250,000, and then 1 million. There's a bunch of numbers that are under 1 million, but as you can see, as long as we align it with the place values, we can tell which one's bigger, and we can also tell how to read as long as we know the place values. So this is the ones, this is the tens, this is the hundreds, this is the thousands, this is the 10,000s, this is the 100,000s, and this is the millions. This is ones, this is tens, hundreds, this is the thousands, this is the 10,000s, thousands, and then millions. So there you go. I wish I had a million things.